What's up, everybody? It's your boy Landon back at it again with another video. This time it's gonna be some cluster truck. And yeah, it's cluster truck. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's like a $10 game I bought a long time ago, and I'm here to make a video about it. Okay, so I'm gonna do World 4 lasers, cause oh shoot. So the point of the game is to survive on a truck. Oh, yeah, without dying, I guess. And I have like slow-mo because I'm like, bro. Oh, so I don't. The point is to survive. I feel, yeah, yo, but I'm scared and I might complete it this try. No, no, I'm not free. Guys, I think the rage is gonna be in this video. You guys are gonna see me rage. I have like a yo. Yo, I'm gonna try slow-mo. Like, not here, but like, when I get into these. What the heck? That was right in front of me. Campaign. We're trying different level. Medieval, that seems dope. Medieval, yeah. See, all I have to do is just survive that big thing. Yo! Oh, shoot! I died? How the heck did I die? Well, I guess I'll be in slow motion. I get to see everything. See, I'm the best parkour person ever. Parkour, hardcore. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Bye, truck. Bye. Yeah. Oh shoot. But I almost died. Let's go. Next level. Come on, beam. Beam. Guys, tell me if you guys want to see a part 2 on this video, and guys, tell me video ideas I can make, cause like I want to do some videos that are cool. I'm thinking about a bath challenge, but I don't know which bath challenge. No, yo, my truck. Yo, my truck. Yo! How did I survive that? Oh, shoot. Well, where am I going? Well, okay. No, it's gonna hit me! Come on, whoa, shoot. No, 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 I don't want to die. I die right here. Thank the Lord. Thank you. Come on, I'm here to win. Come on, we're gonna complete this whole series thing. It has all of those things. Yo, it's a trap. Yo, am I being hit off my truck? No, no. Yo. Come on. No, no. I wanted that truck. I think um, I don't think I'll be able to make it. Is there any trucks gonna come by? Yo, am I gonna make it? Yo, I made it! I die right here. I'm gonna be so mad. Woo! Oh, let's go. If we get first try, we can get some like 1,000 points, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my points. I have 13,000 right now, which I don't even know what. I don't even know. Oh shoot! Oh guys, I might die. Come on! I'm gonna stay on this truck the whole time. Yo! Yo, how did I survive that? No, no, no! No!
I gotta run down the Y those. Be back in 20 minutes.
I'm recording a video.
Oh, I guess it got messed up.
Yeah. Well, that was awkward. Come on. Shoot. See, guys, that was my grandma. She records some of my videos. She's a nice old lady. Oh, yo, how did I survive? I touched the... No, no. I've been on the same exact one for like how long? Forever. I'm just gonna jump right through. I'm gonna stay on this truck. Okay, come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Yo, this might... I'm gonna get mad. Like, yo. Woo! Never flew this high. This might be the worst video I've ever made. Because of all... Yo, that truck just got blown up. Yo, I'm Spider-Man, though. I'm Spider-Man. Yes. Did I make it? Woo! Let's go! 14 points. 14,000 points. Let's go. Come on. What the heck are those? Oh, those are the same exact wiener things. Shoot! No! What the heck? Okay. We're just gonna jump right through. So they have everything! Oh well. Oh, yo! No, no, yo! Yo, I can't. Yo, so much things are happening at once. How can my computer run this stuff? Yo. Flying through. Well, I'll just sit here for the next car to come. Let's go. I'm gonna get hit. No, I'm stuck. I can't do anything. Yo, yo, no, no, no. I don't want to die. I don't want to. I can make the jump. I made a farther jump. 800 points. I got 15K. Let's see what I can. Fire? Yo, I'm gonna die. Did I die to fire? Yeah, I guess I died to fire. Let's beat it. Jump over. I can jump over it. That's a lot easier. What the heck? What? I did so much more. No, I know what to do. Yo, yo. Just chill. Just chill. Just, just, just chill. Yo! Yo, I was like right on the edge of getting burnt up. Okay. Yo, castle? When was there castles? Oh, shoot! Well, am I supposed to make it up there or what? Yo, I made it up. What? But all the trucks are gone up there. I'm dead. Oh, I know what to do. Gotta get there first. First things first. No, 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 reach! That's impossible! Come on, just gotta get there first. Gotta get there first. Gotta get there first. Gotta get there first. Gotta get there. No, I didn't get there first. What the hell? Oh, I'm not supposed to cuss on this channel. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Like, how is this possible? Yo, I think this might be the one. Come on, I'm legit gonna try my best, and I'm gonna make it. What the hell? Yes! Let's. If I die right here, yo, I'm gonna be so mad. No, no, no. No, 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 come on, I don't want. No, 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 no. If I die right here. Yes! Finally! I think there's 3 more levels. Come on. Fire, I can take you. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. That was some intent. What? I was on the truck. I was on that truck. I'm just gonna chill right here. I'll be fine. What? Chill right here. Can the fire reach me? Yeah, it can. What about right down here? Fire reach me? Yes, it can. Okay. Yo! No, God! God! Yo! No! No! I'm gonna get crushed. Guys, I might just end the video off right here. So, guys, thank y'all for liking the video, because you guys better like that. Smash that like button right here. You guys are wondering what the heck this is. I don't even know. Just my random friend chilling. He's not even...
What up?
He's right there. His name's Billy. And yeah, so, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button in the face. And yeah, see you next video.
Yes, smash that like button.
Ow! That really hurt.